Hello guys, how are you today? Fine. Today we will explain how to write the expanded form of any number. We took in grade 4 how to write the expanded form. So it's the same way as that of big numbers. Okay, so I will expand now the numbers. When numbers are presented in numerical digits, it's called the digit form of a number. For example, when I write 8,352, this form, we name it, we write it in digits, so we name it digit form of a number. Now, for example, 4,856, this form, we name it digit form of a number. Okay, so this form, we name it what? Digit form. Now, expanded form. Numbers can also be presented in expanded form. This means writing the value of a number using the place value of each digit. For example, how do we write the expanded form of 4,856? When I say expanded form, I mean I will expand this number. I will write now addition of numbers. Each digit I will write it alone. 4 alone, 8 alone, 5, then what? Then 6. Okay, I will expand this number. I will write now addition of numbers, each digit alone. In order to write the expanded form, I will start from the left side, من 4. 4. Okay? I will count. How many digits do we have to the right side of 4? 1, 2, 3. So I will write them as zeros. 3 zeros. Plus. Which digit comes next to 4? Here 8. Okay? How many digits do we have after 8? We have 2 digits. So I will write them as 2 zeros. Plus. Which digit comes next to 8? 5. How many digits do we have after 5? We have just one digit. I will write it as 1 0. Plus, which digit comes next to 5? 6. And no digits after 6, so no zeros. So it's 4,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus what? Plus 6. هيدا الفورم يا teacher. هيدا sum of numbers. وكل digit alone, ال 4 alone, ال 8 alone, ال 5 alone, ال 6 alone. هيدا الفورم we name it expanded form of a number. Okay, let's try now these examples. First one, how do we write the expanded form of 3,982? First, we start from the first digit, هي 3. How many digits do we have to the right side of 3? 1, 2, 3. So I will write 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Plus, which digit comes next to 3? 9. So I will write 9. How many digits do we have after 9? 2 digits. So 1, 2. Plus, which digit comes next to 9? 8. I will write 8. How many digits do we have after 8? We have just one digit. So I will write it as 1 0. Plus, which digit comes next to 8? Here 2. So 2. Do we have digits after 2? No, so I no need to write zeros beside 2. That's it. Here the same. I can't write 23 مع zeros with 2 alone with 3 alone. So 2. How many digits do we have after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plus, now the 3. How many digits do we have after 3? 1, 2, 3. So I will write 1, 2, 3 zeros. Plus, which digit comes next to 3? 5. How many digits do we have after 5? We have 1, 2 digits. So we must place 2 zeros. Plus, now I can write plus 0 or we can skip 0. Okay, because plus 0, 0, nothing. So now plus what? Plus 8. No more digits after 8, so 8 alone. Okay, Now I gave you the expanded form. You will write the digit form. هيدا الفورم هو digit form. Okay. In order to write the digit form, I will tell you an easy way. You can add them. You can add them on a draft copybook, arrange them under each other and make just addition. Or you can put dashes and fill them with digits. How? We count how many digits do we have here in the first number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count all the digits, not just the zeros. كلهم 5 digits. So I will place 5 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Let's count them down. 1, 2, 3. So starting from the right side, من الones digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay? Now I will start from the end, the ones digit. How many digits do we have here? We have just one digit. Okay. Here we have 2 digits. كلهم مع zeros. 2 digits. On 1, 2, 3. 3 digits in all. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 digits here. Okay. Now I will fill 5 under what? Under 1 because I wrote 1 up. So 5 it has to be under 1. 4 under 2. 9 under 3. 2 under 4. With 6 under 5. That's it. So هيدا هو الديجيت فورم 62945 هيدا هو الديجيت فورم. Okay? So you can add them under each other, just make addition on a draft paper, or you can put dashes and place the digits. Okay. Let's do the second one. I will count also all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here it's 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2. And here 1. Okay. How many dashes we have to place? The biggest number who is 6, so I will place 6 dashes. 1, 2, 3, comma, 4, 5, 6. Okay, write the counting down. It's better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, I will start with 1. 4, we place it where? Under 1. 4 here. 6 under 2. 6 here. 3 under 3. 5 under 5. So there is no 4. Leave it empty. 0. 5 under 5 with 6 will 8 under what? Under 6. So the answer will be 850,364. That's it. Okay? This we call it expanded form of a number. It's so easy, guys. Just pay attention to the counting. Now I will explain for you exercise 2 part A. Then you will do part B as a homework.